What's up, marketers and entrepreneurs? Rod checking in, wanted to bring you guys some more video content today, and we're going to talk about Reddit and affiliate marketing, how you can make money on Reddit with affiliate marketing. So that being said, a lot of you guys love to consume your content on Reddit. You like the articles, you like the threads, you like the subreddits, and you're trying to figure out, hey, how can I leverage all of this knowledge that I have about Reddit and change it to marketing money with affiliate marketing? Well, I want to give you guys 3 strategies here. I got a couple of talking points here, and I want to kind of cover these today and kind of get you guys started. So guys, before I get started, I'm gonna assume that you kind of already know what niche you want to do, because if you don't know your niche, you don't know anything about this niche or how to solve problems in your specific niche, this strategy is not going to help you guys out. A lot of you guys just think you're going to be a fly-by-night affiliate marketer, just kind of pushing all kind of offers. This strategy is not going to work for you. This strategy is for somebody who really wants to make money long-term with affiliate marketing and leveraging Reddit as a channel so that you can make money. So go ahead. If you have additional questions about what niche you want and want to get started for that, I have a 7-step guide. Links are in the description box. Go pick that up while supplies last, guys, and we'll kind of get into how you can take your career, your life to the next level and make money on Reddit and any other online platform. So links below. So let's talk about Reddit, guys. Reddit is unique because of the thread and the way it delivers you guys content. It requires a lot of content from external sources that comes on Reddit, and you're clicking through links and reading that content, and then you come to Reddit to comment and comment about it. The thing that's different for a lot of users is, at least a lot of digital marketers, we want to come on there and just start pushing our content out there at the beginning, which is a no-no, guys. Number one, you want to become a member of that community before you start selling. Reddit is unique. They will kick you out. I have been kicked out before for posting stuff on threads because nobody know who you are, first of all. And second of all, you just come and just pitching things right off the bat just because, hey, now I got this product, it's dealing with digital marketing, and I go to a digital marketing thread and I start promoting that product. You would think, hey, they already have knowledge of digital marketing, so this product would help. No, it don't work that way with Reddit. These guys, they want you to become a part of the community, providing great insight, not selling, but insight on helping people solve problems, and consistently do that over time. And then once you have delivered enough value, you build those relationships with the people on the subreddits, then you can occasionally throw out some product or service because they know who you are. They know, hey, Rod, he gave us all this great free content. Hey, let me go check out his product, because I know if he gives this value away for free, just imagine how his paid product's gonna be. And that's the strategy you have to use with Reddit. Reddit is one of those places, guys, it's a really, what's the word I'm looking for, cult-like community, where you're not just gonna go on there and then just start putting content out and these guys, just let you do it. It's not that way. I've tried it several times in several subreddits. It's not gonna happen. If you had luck with that, comment below. Tell me how you do that. But my experience with Reddit is join the feed, provide value, answer some of the questions, feedback on the different articles, read what the people are putting out there, engage in the community, and then kind of see what the needs are, what the trends are, and then provide insight and products where it fits best. And you're gonna find out you're gonna make way more money than this. And this is a strategy I'm gonna start deploying in the future, instead of sitting back, coming in, find a Reddit that has a lot of engagement, and then just start spamming my articles or spamming my products before I get kicked out by a moderator. So that's not a good long-term strategy. We want to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing on Reddit, and that's the first talking point or strategy I want you guys to start using with this going forward. So the next one, don't join too many subreddits. And it's not the amount of subreddits that you join, it's the amount of pitching that you're doing on different subreddits. Guys, word gets out. People see that you just going through each subreddit, just putting your product out and just spreading your message, and you think you're doing a lot of good things because you're promoting your product because you think it's the best. Guys, do not sell to everybody. Keep in your niche. Keep in the subreddit primarily that's in your specific niche. This is going to put you in a position of authority. If everybody looking at your thread and see, hey, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, online business, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, they're gonna be like, man, this guy really knows about marketing. And if they have a question about marketing, guess who they're gonna go to? Me. Versus if they see cats, dogs, fitness, a garden, cameras, photos, lighting, they see all this different stuff and they're like, wow, he participated on Reddit a lot, but it ain't nothing that they can take away from me as far as just expertise and things like that. So I become a generalist, which in a lot of cases, unless you're an entertainer, generalists don't get far, at least in the digital marketing world, at least in 2019. If you got in the game early, before all this competition in the early 2000s, maybe you had success with those strategies back then because there was no competition. But now it's a ton of noise out there, guys. Everybody pushing out content. So you have to niche down to be able to cut through some of the noise and become an authority, an influence in a space. And if you do that consistently over time, you are going to get traffic. You're going to get noticed. And if you can deliver on the value to that traffic, more and more platforms like YouTube, Reddit, Instagram will start promoting you, and then you'll be ready to go. With Reddit, you get a ton of that engagement. It's so important that you get that engagement, those thumbs up on Reddit, because it's just like any other platform. Once the platform starts to see, hey, you're getting a ton of engagement, you're getting a ton of traffic for this specific niche, then the algorithms start just pushing that subreddit or your thread into other people's inboxes or screens so that they can join in on your conversation. So it kind of feeds the beast as you niche down and stake your claim in one subreddit and just kind of expand from there. I want to stress, I'm saying, yes, you want to master a category of subreddits. Just stick within that category. Not say you have to just stay one, but you don't need to be in 100. Put it like that. So I hope you guys get that point on that. And number 3, don't use Reddit like you use other social platforms. I make this mistake a lot when I'm dealing with Instagram, Reddit, YouTube. I try to take my success out for YouTube and other platforms and apply it to Reddit, which is not the case, guys. The amount of the time you post, how you engage, how often you post, how many times a day, what times a day, that stuff differs between each platform. How to engage, when to sell, when not to sell. You have to study that particular platform, that particular community, kind of see what the trends are, how they like doing things, how they like to consume their content. On Reddit is very important and very different from how you would do it on Instagram or YouTube or Twitter. Twitter, you can post on top of every hour, maybe 3 or 4 times every hour on Twitter, and it's just fine because so much content coming through there and so many different tweets. It's expected that people are going to be tweeting multiple times a day, a couple of times every I would say every 15-20 minutes, 10, 5 in some cases. But it's not the case on Reddit. It's not the case on other social platforms. But my point is, find out how Reddit, what's the best way to produce your promote your content and on Reddit. That's the key, guys, because if you don't do it right, you're gonna come across as being that used car salesman I kind of tell everybody about, and that's not gonna work for you. That's gonna be a bad look. So guys, I need you to do 2 things. 1, go check out my 7-step guide. Links are in the description box. Sign up for it. I want to help you guys take your affiliate marketing and Reddit skills to the next level, and we kind of cover that in a 7-step guide. So go ahead and sign up for that. Number 2 if you already been promoting or think about doing some Reddit affiliate marketing, what are some of the problems you are having? What are you afraid of? Go ahead and put that information in the description box so we can start a conversation, so I can help you guys out and put you guys in a position to win. So that being said, like, subscribe to the content. If you have any questions or concerns, like I said, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.